Happy Wednesday! I hope that you guys have had a wonderful and fantastic week so far. Can you believe that there are only 4 more months left before the year is done? I personally cannot believe it. I don't know where the time is going. Today I wanted to share a very fun and unusual color combo for this week's Watermarble Wednesday. And to be honest, I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, but I do absolutely adore the final result. If you'd like to see how these came about, keep on watching. As with most of my nail arts, for example Watermarble's gradients, I will be going in and using Hansen Xtreme Wear White on as my base color just to help the colors pop a bit more, and I did this in 2 thin coats since I don't really need it to be fully opaque. To help make the cleanup process easier and definitely to protect my cuticles, I'll be going in and applying some of my favorite latex barrier called Border Patrol by Girly Cosmetics. Now for the water marbling, I'll be using this marble cup that came with my TwinkledT Glamor mat, but if you don't have one of these mats, you can definitely use any small cup or bowl that you do have around the house that you're not using, anymore. I do find that the smaller the cup, the better. I find that when you have something too big, the rings may spread a bit too far. You may not get the bullseye that you want. I'll also be using this gorgeous bad bitch polish called Pickup Lime. And the other color I will be using is Essie Stones in Roses. As with all my water marbles, I'll be going in and alternating between the 2 colors. If I was using more than 2 colors, I would just pick the order that I want the colors to go in and alternate between them. You do have to move a bit quickly as the water does tend to make the polish dry a bit quickly, which is why I never make my patterns starting from the outer rings. And you can see that I am shaking the cup a bit just to help the polish spread a bit better. And now that I have my bullseye created, I will be going in and using my What's Up Nails Pure Color Water Marble number 7 tool to create the pattern that I'd like for this marble. Now that everything is all cleaned up, I will be going and applying one final coat of Girly Cosmetics Water Rush Top Coat to help seal everything in and give it a high shine and glossy finish. There we have it for this week's Watermarble Wednesday look. I am over the moon with this one, guys. I just was really unsure about how the colors are going to work together, but once I got them going, I loved just how bright and fun and unexpected the colors look together. If you do have any comments and or questions, please feel free to leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And for those of you that are new to my channel, welcome, and those that have been with me for some time, thank you so much for continuing to stick it out with me. As always, guys, stay glamorous.